Luxury SUV shoppers, buckle up. The 2026 BMW X7 isn't just another big rig, it's a game changer. With jaw-dropping agility for its size, a cabin dripping with opulence, and 3 powerhouse engines, this 7-seater redefines premium. Sure, it's got quirks, a cramped third row, tight cargo space behind it, and tech that'll test your patience. But here's the verdict. The X7 outdrives every rival in its class, blending sports car spirit with SUV swagger. If you crave thrills without sacrificing luxury, the X7 is your holy grail. Let's dive in. First glance, the X7 screams presence. For 2026, BMW drops the Amatrin red metallic, but the rest is pure magnetism. Standard 21-inch wheels fill those arches, or go bold with optional 23-inch monsters. The illuminated kidney grille, part of the M Sport Pro Pack, glows like a superhero's emblem. Flawless lines, roof rails, and LED taillights create a silhouette that's both elegant and aggressive. Downsides? Those massive wheels can jitter on rough roads. But overall, this is luxury with a street fighter's stance. Slide inside, and it's a tech-savvy sanctuary. Heated seats, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof come standard. The curved glass dashboard houses a 12.3-inch driver display and a massive 14.9-inch touchscreen. But let's be real. The third row is for kids only, and cargo space behind it? Scant. Power-operated captain's chairs move slower than Monday mornings. Yet, fold every seat, and you'll stash 33 suitcases. Plush materials and smart storage win points, but that cramped way back? Big miss. Under the hood, magic happens. The base turbo straight 6-pack's 375 horsepower, smooth and swift. Crave fury? The M60i's V8 unleashes 523 horses, hitting 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds. The Alpina XB7's twin-turbo V8, a ludicrous 630 horsepower. All models get all-wheel drive, an 8-speed auto, and an air suspension with active anti-roll bars. Towing? 7,500 pounds. Handling? Shockingly nimble for a beast this size. This isn't an SUV, it's a rocket in loafers. Thirsty? The inline 6 sips wisely. 20 city, 24 highway miles per gallon. The V8. 16 city, 20 highway. But surprise, our real-world test saw 23 highway miles per gallon in the M60i. For a 2.6-ton powerhouse, that's impressive. Still, rivals like the Mercedes GLS sip slightly smarter. If fuel bills keep you up, stick with the 6-cylinder. The V8's grin-inducing roar? Priceless. But you'll pay at the pump. Tech highs and lows. Good news, BMW axed the gimmicky gesture controls. The iDrive system now rules via a 14.9-inch touchscreen or console knob. Connectivity? Wi-Fi hotspot, subscription needed, and digital key phone control. Audio options dazzle. Harman Kardon comes in the premium pack, but audiophiles must spring for the Bowers and Wilkins system. Frustrations? Menus dive deep. Expect a learning curve. Yet once mastered, it's a futuristic command center. Just don't expect plug-and-play simplicity. Dimensions and capacity. Space Wars? The X7 loses. Third row legroom's laughable. Adults won't tolerate long hauls. Cargo behind row 3? 3 carry-ons max. Rivals like the Escalade offer acres more. Suspension and handling. Air suspension plus rear axle steering equals black magic. Body roll? Minimal. Steering? Precise. But opt for 23-inch wheels, and potholes rattle your molars. Safety and driver assistance. Standard kit. Forward collision alerts. Blind spot monitoring. Lane departure warnings. Top marks from safety agencies. But no self-driving tricks here. Warranty and reliability. Covered for 4 years or 50,000 miles, plus 3 years of free maintenance. BMW stands by its beast. Pricing starts at $87,875. Fully loaded Alpina, $157,175. Our pick? The base model plus M Sport Pro and Bowers & Wilkins Audio. Under 6 figures for near perfection. The X7 isn't practical, but it's peerlessly thrilling. If luxury SUVs were watches, this is a Rolex with a jet engine. Smash that like button, subscribe, and drive crazy.